got any with lightning bolts?
Not any real good one. Like, I'm gonna take a picture of videoing.
You taking video?
Yeah.
I was just gonna say we should go get your video camera and take video.
It's pretty intense, dude.
Is your room unlocked?
No.
Can you drop off my
Just pull it all off. This is an Iraq electric storm. They say the best thing to do during these is to hold up go grab like a tall radio tower or something, climb up to the top. I don't know why they tell you that. That yellow glow off in the distance is not a sunset, it's actually a large wall of dust that's blowing in. The sun's on the other side of it, that's what makes it glow like that.
I was walking over here and I was thinking that we should go get your camera so you can take pictures. It's pretty nuts.
We'll get some more